Hey everyone, this next stretch we're going to do is a thoracic rotation stretch, and this is a very good stretch for pretty much everyone to do, especially if you have a real rounded back posture there. But I love to give this stretch out to my golfers. Most of your rotation when you golf comes from the center of your back, not the low back. That's why a lot of our golfers have low back pain. So this is a great stretch to do throughout the day, but especially if you are playing golf or tennis, you want to do this before and after you play to warm up. Okay, so very easy stretch to do. I'm going to show you a few different angles so you can see it, but you're going to start on all fours, just like this. All right, so again, you're going to do this on both sides because this is from rotation from right to left. So it doesn't matter if you're right or lefty, you need both rotations to function properly. So for demonstration purposes, you're going to take one arm and you're going to put the elbow right between the knees. Let me back up so you can see. Perfect. You're going to try to keep your ribs as close to the thighs as you possibly can the entire time, all right? The opposite hand's going behind the head. You're gonna come all the way down and you're gonna rotate up with your elbow. You don't wanna do this. You wanna rotate your spine with your arm and your elbow as high as you can. You're gonna hold for 2-3 seconds, then come back down. 1, 2, 3, back up. 1, 2, 3. Show you a different angle here. All the way down, elbow between the knees, hands here, up as high as you can, back down. Same thing other side, elbow here, hands behind the head, rotate up as high as you can. Perfect. One mistake I often see is the ribs come too high off. Okay, the reason why we're sitting back is because it locks your low back down and we're getting all the rotation in the middle of the back here. Okay, so we don't want to come up off the ribs this high. We want to stay nice and low, ribs as close as you can to the thigh. All right, again, really great for my tennis players and golfers, or anyone who has a really rounded back. We need that rotation to be able to function properly, and you will improve on your golf game and your tennis game, I promise you that. So if you have any questions, give us a shout. Thanks.